today we are going to unbox Glock 17 Mos Fs Gen 5. Yan. Are you ready? Stand by. And firing game na tayo. Hindi na natin patagalin. Open na natin. See? May pangalan. So today, malalaman natin kung ano yung mga nilalaman ng box ng Glock 17 Gen 5. So here, may kasama siyang gun registration. And thank you so much, Links FA, for processing. There, tabi muna natin. And then, baby boy. Tadaan! Okay. So nice. See? Okay, safety first. Chamber clear. Walang laman na magazine. Okay. And then, let's put him down first. Yan. So, it comes with 2 magazines. And then, 17 rounds each mag. And it also comes with a loader. Yan. This is very helpful. Lalo na kapag marami kayong rounds na gagawin. And for girls, syempre hindi lahat ay kayang mag-load manually. What else? Yes, the cleaning rod and the cleaning brush. Kabit natin. Yan, hindi pa natin siya lilinisin kasi hindi pa natin siya nagagamit. And then it also comes with back straps. Here, we have the beaver tail. Para sa mga taong may malalaking kamay. Yan. Para hindi maipit yung kamay niya sa slides. There. See? Okay. Yung sa akin, as you can see, naglagay na ako ng back strap. Kasi it's more comfortable para sa mga maliliit ang kamay. Yan. Sakto na siya. Yan. And we also have this one. Wag daw to walain because this is expensive. So we have the adapter set or adapter plates. Kung gusto nyong maglagay ng optics, mga red dot, ganyan. So, let's try. Here. What else? Ano pa bang laman nito? Of course. May kasama siyang manual. Okay? Guys, hindi ito nakalagay for design. Binabasa po ito. So, ayan. So, next video, we're gonna break in. Ibe-break in natin to si baby boy. Si Glock 17 Gen 5 Mos Fs. Fs, see? May front serration na siya. Because the other gens doesn't have the front serration. Ayan. So, wait for my next video. We're gonna do breaking in a baby boy. See you!